In today's practical, we are going to study how to make paneer.
We are going to need full fat milk for making the paneer and some lime juice and the muslin cloth. If you do not have the muslin cloth, you can use the normal handkerchief which is available at your place. Okay, so let's start with this. We have to cut open the bag of the milk and we have to boil the milk completely.
For paneer making, we need to use full fat milk. In laboratory, we use beaker and burner to boil the milk and glass rod as a stirrer. Now we will allow milk to boil completely.
The milk has started boiling. So we have to add the lemon juice in it. Just give a stir to the boiled milk. And then we have to add the lemon juice and give a stir. Keep on adding the lemon juice. After adding lemon juice, you can observe solid will start separating. This solid is nothing but the whey, the white colored whey. Here you can see the solid has started separating out from the milk. Give a nice stir and keep on adding the lemon juice. I have taken 1.5 lemon juice over here. Okay, and the liquid part had started turning greenish. Okay, can you see the green color of a liquid? Okay, so it will give out the solids from the liquid and you can see the green part which is separating out from the milk. Now we will switch off the gas. And you can see the complete separation of solids from the milk. After letting it cool down a little, we are going to filter the whey from the liquid part. Okay, for filtering out, I have taken a vessel. Okay, I have taken a vessel and upon that I have placed the sieve. Okay, along with the sieve, I am going to put a muslin cloth. Okay, I have made it little weight so it will help in easy filtering out the whey. Okay, so I have adjusted it. Now I am going to pour all these things in this sieve. So whatever the liquid is there, that will be filtered out and only the solid part will remain on the cloth. We have filtered out all the whey from the liquid part and I am going to squeeze it hard. In this way, we are going to squeeze out the water completely from the whey. We are going to prepare a solution of salt and water. We have to pour this mixture on the whey. The salt acts as a preservative. So, even in the industries, this salt solution is used to preserve the paneer. Now we are going to pour, or simply we can call this procedure as a washing of a whey. Again I am going to squeeze it I have kept this whey in a sieve. Below that I have kept the plate so that whatever the water will come out from that whey come out on the plate. Okay, and then I'll keep one plate on that to put a pressure. Now whatever is available at your place, that you have to keep. I have kept a vessel full of water to put a pressure on that whey, and additionally I have covered this vessel, and additionally I have this stone, so it will again exert a pressure on this whey. So we have to wait till say 1 hour. It's almost an hour. We'll remove the weights from the paneer, and let's see the slab of a paneer is ready or not. Our paneer is ready. Now we'll make a pieces of paneer. You can see a piece of paneer. The thickness of a paneer depends upon how much weight you place on a paneer.